Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here in Riesa and this is the Riesa Super Enduro vlog. It will be in English. If you want to see the German version, go check out the Weberwerke channel. I will do the complete vlog in German, so for all of you guys who want to see the whole action in German, go check out their channel and check out their video. So, I just arrived here in Riesa. I'm just walking into the stadium. I haven't seen the track yet. I've just seen pictures. It's like a lot of people right now on the track. I'm just walking around behind the scenes, just checking it out. It's always so special to come here, home race. A lot of fans, a lot of family. I try to go up the grandstands now and get a better look. I'll be taking you on a track walk now to show you all the features of the track. It's quite a special one. We have over-under bridge and so on and so on. So it will be interesting. Stay tuned. So we are starting here at the start line. You can see it's right in front of the main grandstands. Oh, this is actually quite a good start. You know, it's really important to execute a good start, proper one, and try to get in front of the other guys and hug the inside to go under the bridge, and then have a huge tire double. I've seen this one from the videos. But the dirt is really perfect. It's really hard packed but still grippy, so it's not dusty, and yeah, actually really awesome to see. And then we face the next obstacle, which is basically a wall. Like 1.90 meters, and it goes way above my head. So basically a 2-meter wall or spine. It's like a skate park obstacle, because as you can see here, it's trees and you have these little holes, and I'm not sure how this will go. Probably we will see loads of carnage in the European class or the national class. Here we have a log corner with a firewood pit inside, which is very tricky, always very tricky. Yeah, so we have inside-outside line options. Then we go here into the rhythm section, and then there is a big triple over the pipe. I think we will triple it. Looks possible, so we will land right there. So probably we will all go inside up here. There's also an outside line, which is possible, but probably slower and not that nice. The downslope from the bridge in as a scale, you can see the people up top. Here, like I said, with a little bit of dirt, makes it rideable, but here, over there, it will probably be quite dangerous if you go down that. Our plan will be to jump off this and then right here, turn and then jump over these two logs. And then we have a big rock corner with an inside option and an outside option. The rocks are quite grippy and it's actually quite nice to ride, but this is for sure the place where it's the easiest to make a mistake and get stuck in the whole lap. So it will be very critical to execute it properly every lap and get through it clean. And then it's the finish line stretch, which is full of logs actually. Looks funny in the camera. Looks even funnier in real life. And now we're here up the finish line jump. Behind me here you can see the landing. It's quite a nice jump, I think. Big takeoff, smaller landing. Just a left turn to go over these logs and turn back onto the start straight. That concludes a full track preview here in Riesa. I will go to administration control and technical control now, do all the paperwork, you know, accreditation for the race, get all the passes and so on. After that we go for team dinner, which will be cool with all the guys. And yeah, that was it for now. Catch you guys later. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
guys, we are here now in my pits. We just finished watching the track and watching the other classes riding for the first time. The track looks quite flowy. The top junior riders, they were making their way around the track quite easy. So, or not easy, but it looked flowy and all the obstacles looked quite cool. So I'm really excited to see how it rides, because it always rides a bit different than it looks. And yeah, now we have, I don't know, 1 hour to kill to get changed and get dressed, and then we head out for the first practice and see you guys soon.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see what I
Back in the stadium, it's like 10 minutes to go. Then we have our time practice, where we have to qualify for the top 7 places to go to Super Bowl. So that will be the goal, and then we're in for the night show Super Bowl. That will be sick.
working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah.
Danach lasst uns alle streben, Brüder wie...
Der kommt aus Deutschland, unser nächster Fahrer. Euer Applaus für Kevin Gallas! Den müssen wir im Auge behalten mit der Startnummer 71. Der nächste Mann, der kommt aus Spanien. Auf der Australier ist er unterwegs, ein absoluter Rein. Also er nähert sich jetzt hier langsam dem fliegenden Start. So, 6 Meter. Und wenn er jetzt auf der Runde ist, unterstützt sich Kevin Gallas. Wo seid ihr, Riesa? Ich höre nicht. Unter dem Weber-Tunnel durch über den Red Bull Big Air, Themas Bein. Und dann geht die 24 MX Corner. Ihr merkt, ich habe gespielt. Da hinten am Publikum lang und ich höre euch nicht. Rauf geht's auf den Weber-Tunnel. Und jetzt bin ich gespannt, macht er den Sprung? Jawohl! Das spart schon mal eine wertvolle Zeit. Ab in die Champion Rock Section. Extrem schwierig, kann man viel Zeit gut machen, aber auch verlieren. Und jetzt unterstützt den Kevin aber auf den letzten Metern. Rock Kevin! Und damit haben wir eine auf der 5 und Kevin Gallas auf Platz 6 mit 71, jetzt mit leichten Problemen, nimmt jetzt aber wieder die Fahrt auf, also Gallas jetzt auf 7, im Rock Garden an, Alfredo Gomez fällt aber die Nase vorne auf der Innenspur, Pult außenrum, ist hier schon einen kleinen Vorsprung. Und Philipp Holmes, das klappt hier fast schon aus, weil die Wendung die Inside-Line probiert, leider hängen geblieben. Und zu Schutz gekommen, deshalb jetzt weiter zurück. Und Billy Baldwin greift hier seinen Teamkollegen im US-Fahrer Rockstar John Gomez vorbei. Was ist das für ein Kämpfer? Über den Red Bull Big Air. Sergio Sousa gehen wir noch auf der 3. Wie stark ist das? Da kommt noch nichts passiert in der Vorlesung. Walker hat sich zurückgekämpft. Auf Platz 4. Inzwischen haben die tatsächlich die Position geändert. Walker jetzt vor Gomez. Ich habe den überholt. Teddy Blazuniak fährt jetzt hier das letzte Mal durch den Rockgarden. Das letzte Mal durch die Holzmauer. Ulrich Bartling und Sieger vom Lauf 1. Teddy Blazuniak Fahrt. Vorne der 111 Teddy Blazuniak. So, wir warten auf Platz 2 und Platz 3. John Walker, der kommt jetzt auch schon näher.
Yo guys, so first race is over. It was really good. I had to start from the outside, so only 7th gate pick. Super pole was not that great. I messed up a few parts in the lap, so I was last, but still in the first row. Got a good start from the outside, kind of good, not so bad. I expected it to be worse. and made a pretty good race. Not a lot of mistakes, a few ones, so I know what I can do better. But I guess the other ones had way bigger mistakes. So Paul passed me in the last corner of the last lap for fifth place. So I ended up 6th, which is good base to start the night. Now we will start from the back row, and yeah, basically see how we can do from the second row. And yeah, thumbs up for the next 2 races.
Der Portugiese zunächst in Führung, aber klar, Kevin Gallas in den Top 5, 6 und Teddy Platzuliak, der ackert sich hier in der 24er Kurve nach vorne, springt jetzt zum Außen an, versucht er noch einen Sturz verlieren, bleibt jetzt aber kurz hängen, Vorfahrt auf 2, geht jetzt in Führung, Platzuliak auf 2, hier war das Problem, damit jetzt Billy Boy noch auf 3 vor und Kevin Gallas auf Mann, in diesem Moment geht er in die Führung und auf 9 England macht er von beinahe als 2 auf 1 Streich, also braucht er jetzt auf 5, Blutzeit auf 6, dann kann er auf 7 zurückgefallen, Paul auf 8, dann zum Front bestraft, ähnliches Szenario wie im ersten Lauf. Also wollen sie vielleicht doch einen Tick zu ungestüm unterwegs machen, zu viel, wie er sich sorgen muss. Ganz starken Fahrt auf. Und Blutzeit bleibt jetzt vorbei.
Race is over. A little bit of copy and paste from the first one. Good race, good start. I had to start from the second row and I went far inside. It's a bit risky because when they crash in front of you, you're kind of stuck, but it worked out, and yeah, got through pretty good. I would say, I don't know, 5, 6 around that position, and yeah, just had a good race, found a good rhythm. A few little mistakes. I messed up the jump off this little bridge thing once, and I got passed again. So I have to remember that for the 3rd race. It happened twice in 2 races now, so. You have to jump off that damn thing, so if not, you will lose a place. But all in all, really happy, found a good rhythm, not a lot of mistakes. I just have to work on my, I don't know, firewood pit skills, because I always get stuck there, it really feels bad. But overall, really happy, 2 6th places, 1 more race to go. I'm hyped, and yeah, let's see what we can do.
Jetzt bin ich richtig gespannt. Stau! Walker, da vorne liegt Gomez. Wieder auf Platz 2 weiterkommen. Da auf hier jetzt. Reißen aber, wollen direkt wieder einholen. Teddy Platzuliak erneut in Führung und kann er erneut erstmal frei atmen. Das sieht gut aus für den Kohl. Vorbei an Johnny Walker. Und jetzt auf Platz 3. Geht in die letzte Runde. Oh, knapp vorbei hier. Relativ sicher auf Platz 2 auf der Rot von den Informationen. Wir alle auf die Liga hier warten. Teddy Platzuliak, Patrick.
Yeah guys, so this is the end of today's vlog, video, whatever. The end of the night, 3rd race is over. It was a tough evening. Last race I had a good start again, but then the front guys got stuck in the uphill on the bridge, and there was one tiny gap and I tried to go into it, and yeah, it was a mistake. I think I got blocked and yeah, lost valuable time. I was at the very back of the pack and had to fight my way back to, I don't know, 10th, 9th, I'm not sure what the end position was. I'm 7th overall with 2 6th places, which is good. Overall, the evening was positive. My riding was really good. Team is good. I hope the videos are good. It was a crazy production evening, you know, with the videos for the Weber guys, this video for my channel, a second video on the Weber channel in German, which is basically this video but in German. So if you're interested to see that, check out the Weber channel. And yeah, doing the Instagram story for 24MX, so busy media day, but overall really fun. Enjoyed the German crowd and can't wait for the next races. It's a very nice season, and see you soon.